The semi-squat or partial squat is going to be part of our squat progression here. We'll go ahead and start with the feet just outside of hip width. So we'll go ahead and pretty much line up those toes to point straight ahead there. First piece I'm going to think about as I'm doing this is I want to keep most of the weight in the heels. So as I come down, I'm going to need to sit back. I'll show you that from the side here. So imagine like sitting back in a chair. A common error in the squat is to come down, have the knees slide forward. That puts a lot more weight in the balls of the feet and puts a lot more work in the quads and usually takes work out of the hamstrings and glutes. It's good to have that additional work in the hamstrings and glutes because those guys are often not as developed as the quads are. So again, we've got the weight in the heels. Going to go ahead and think about sitting back. The other key piece we want to have is to make sure that the knees are lining up with the toes. So one common error is to drop down and have the knees fall in. That usually indicates that these muscles up here are not helping to keep the femurs out, which help the knees track like they should be doing. So again, sit back, weight in heels, make sure that the knees are tracking, drop down about halfway, about 40 degrees, and then go ahead and push through the heels to head back up. That's the partial squat.